What Did I Eat Last Week by Benjamin Signet. Well, I started the week in the best way. My Monday and my Tuesday started like this. For breakfast, I had a focaccia. Focaccia is a soft textured Italian bread with tomato sauce, rosemary, green olives, and salt. It's a very delicious bread that I accompany with a cup of coffee and some orange. That is a typical breakfast of mine. After that, for lunch, I prepare some spinach cannelloni, battered in Parmesan cheese. Here in my house, we love Italian food, and also accompany it with artichokes and lemon juice. I usually have lunch at the 2 o'clock or earlier. At dinner time, we have a typical Chilean dinner called once, which consists of a cup of tea, bread, some avocados, and ham. In my opinion, it is a light meal compared to the USA or the other countries. In the middle of the week, on Wednesdays and Thursday, I have almost the same breakfast. For lunch, I go to my organic garden and take out the best and freshest lettuces. I accompany with a rice with sauces left over from the national holidays. To this mixture, I add chard and carrot as well. Already there on Friday, I dare to prepare some vets. Personally, they are not my favorites, but they are healthy and have also eaten heavy of the week. Dinner is still the same except for the avocado, which is very expensive. On Saturday or Sunday, we always eat fish in this house. We get up early and go to the market and buy fish. We usually accompany with a salad and a drink. And we have finished with a lighter dinner, but with family visits in my home. Our dinner consists of a typical cup of tea, bread, ham, and a little fresh cheese. And that's it. Thank you.